Welcome to Financial Statement Analysis. My name is Mark Holtzman and I'm going to be your professor. The purpose of this course is to give you an overview of financial statement analysis. It's designed for students who've taken at least one course in financial accounting before, and to give you everything from the basics of accounting that you need to know or to review those: financial statement ratio analysis, off-balance sheet financing activities, and some tools that are some specific accounting areas that are sensitive areas for financial analysts. And then it goes right up to valuation models, which you can use to value a stock. And we emphasize accounting principles and where accounting principles may play an important role in valuation. So this is a completely online course. I'm available by appointment. My office is at Jubilee Hall 613. Since it's the summertime, I'm not always there. So you can also call me. My cell phone is on the syllabus, which is on the website, or you can email me at this email address. In order to take the class, you have to buy website access and the following textbook, which is part of the website. It's Easton, McAnally, Summers, and Zhang. You're going to by Cambridge Business Publishers, and you're going to need the 5th edition of the book. A previous edition of the book would be a problem. Now, you can access the website through this link, which is also posted online. And purchase of the website also includes an ebook. So usually the least expensive thing to do is to acquire website access and then have access to this ebook, which you can then use, and then you don't have to actually buy a hard copy textbook. Your grade is calculated on a 100% scale, and each assignment and project submission is counted equally. There are 6 assignments and 6 project assessments, so you can do the math. That's 12, and each one then is worth a little more than 8 points, and they all count equally. Practice problems are given to you also on the website, but they don't count towards your grade. Now, all the assignments that you take are on the mybusinesscourse.com at this link over here rather than in Blackboard. I wanted to have all of the information in one place, and so I thought it would be easiest for you and for me if we put everything on mybusinesscourse.com rather than putting it in Blackboard. So everything you need for the class, except, if you want to look up financial statements and things like that, is available here at mybusinesscourse.com. Assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. on the date indicated. The policy for late completions is that everything has to be submitted by August 20th. Sticking to this August 20th deadline, you could submit individual assignments, up to 4 individual assignments up to 1 week late. That would mean 2 assignments, 2 projects, or 3 assignments, 1 project, any of them up to 1 week late. Anything else that's late or anything beyond 1 week late for anything is going to be penalized 10 points a day. And again, everything has to be handed in by August 20th. If an assignment is not handed in by August 20th, it basically will not count because I need to calculate the grades on August 21st. If in the event of a personal illness or highly extenuating circumstances, please let me know, and I'll be happy to try to cooperate with you. We have only 6 weeks. 6 weeks is very little time to take this class, and there isn't time. If somebody gets a cold, I really feel bad for them. And so this class is going to probably take you 15 to 18 hours per week of work. So you need to budget your time accordingly. If you're going to set a little bit of time every night, it's probably going to take you as much as 2 hours a night in order to do all of the work. Here's a schedule of the coursework. As soon as possible, please email me with your choice of company on the project. I'll show you that in a moment. And check and make sure that you can access the mybusinesscourse.com website. On July 16th, the first set of homeworks are due. Where that D is there. and you need to submit the Module 1 and 2 assignment and Module 1 and 2 project. So that's really one assignment, one project on July 16th, and the assignment covers Modules 1 and 2. The project covers 1 and 2. And I'll show you the videos and where to find all of the content in a few minutes. So each week, on Monday night, a group of assignments are going to be due. And that will be right through August 20th. This August 8th here should not be there. Okay, now going to mybusinesscourse.com. Once you log into mybusinesscourse.com, in the home page, now mine is slightly different from yours, but it should be fairly similar. You'll see a copy of the syllabus and also a list of the companies available. When you click on this link, it will take you to a list of all the companies, and then you need to indicate to me, email to me, the 3 companies that you would like to work on for your project, and indicate them in order, and it's first come, first serve. So you want to submit that as soon as possible. Then you go to Module 1, and the way this is laid out, I didn't really have any choice in this, is the textbook material is built into the course. And I could have made some of this unavailable to you. I thought that it would be best to just give you all the content that you paid for. When you hit launch here, it will open the textbook for you, and you can read the textbook. Now, if you want to buy a hard copy of the textbook, great. Here are lectures made by the authors of the book. So if you click here on play,
welcome to the e-lecture accompanying our text.
There you go. Easton, McAnally, Summers, and Zhang are going to teach you the whole course. Here are examples that they give you.
Hello. In this video, we're going to consider Review 1-1.
So you can see examples, and they will explain to you. Now, I felt that since tuition is pretty high, you probably want me to actually teach the class. So I made my own videos. And you have a choice. You can use my videos, you can use their videos. Their videos are probably better than mine, but I think mine are pretty good. Mine are all on YouTube, and I will post a link to the YouTube playlist. So you would simply hit launch for each one, and that'll take you to YouTube. And here you go. Stockholders need it in order to assess whether or not there's my video. So you can compare them, and you can decide which video you want more. What I also did was I built in practice problems. So as you go through these videos, you could try things out. So for example, practice 1-2 is designed to review everything up to this point. So you would click launch. I have something slightly different. You answer your answers. What's expected net income for the next quarter? Equity analysts. Will the company have enough cash to pay dividends? Current shareholders. Has the company paid for, etc., etc.? And you can try this out. And these are optional. You don't have to do them. But you can if you want. And they're just designed to give you some practice. Now, modules 1 and 2 are going to be due next Friday. So here you have the reading for module 2. More videos by the authors. More guided examples by the authors. My videos. Practice problems. You could do whatever you want. You could watch both. You could watch both, and you could see if we say the same thing or not. More practice problems. And then at the bottom here, this is very important, are the actual assignments which are required. So module 1 and 2 assignment is the actual module 1 and 2 assignment, which is due right over here. And then project, module 1 and 2 project, is the module in 1 and 2 project that's due over here on July 16th. So these are things that you want to do. This is actually built into my business course. And this is a form that you need to fill out for your company. And that's how you go about the course. And all of the modules will be here on the left. The assignments will slowly be posted. Right now, only modules 1 and 2 are posted. Modules 3 and 4 are prepared, but they're not yet formatted into mybusinesscourse.com. And this is how the course is going to proceed right up to the very end. If you have questions, of course, my email is given. My cell phone number is posted on the syllabus that's on the website. And I'm looking forward to an interesting course with you. Thank you.